So a quick little video on self-driving. This isn't on anywhere, but what you do is you create your AB line. Bink, bink. Then you have your AB line and where you want to stop. Here creates the lines, and then all you do is hit exit and then go. It'll Dubins over to the start, do the field, and then return back. Then once it gets to the start, it'll turn the U-turn on and guidance, autoline guidance. And all the sequencing stuff, it'll turn all that stuff on too. And it'll drive around the obstacles, etc., etc. Obviously my boundary's not big enough. Now it's coming up to the last pass. Once it makes a U-turn and it does get to the, or the guidance gets to that pass, then it's done. And then it'll just shuttle and Dubins back home again. Like now. And that's back where we started. And then it stops. Ta-da!